I am very pleased to be with you in Washington today, and I look forward to the week which we are to spend among you. I have no doubt that the American people will receive us with all the kindness that they all receive strangers. This is just a brief reply to your very warm address of welcome. Thank you.
They called him the golden voice of Africa, but he didn't come from gold, he came from the ground. A simple teacher from Bauchi who spoke with wisdom, walked with humility, and lived with a heart that truly cared for his people. In a world where everyone wants to be seen, he was a man who wanted to serve. And today, we remember not just his name, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, but the legacy, the values that makes him unforgettable. You see, leadership is not about power, it's about service, it's about purpose. It's not about positions, it's about people. Balewa understood that long before Nigeria gained independence, he was already building bridges of peace, not walls of division. He believed that every Nigerian, no matter the tribe or tongue, had a place at the table of progress. And even when power came his way, he didn't wear it like a crown. He carried it like a cross, with responsibility, not pride. He spoke with calm, but yet his words can move mountains. He led with simplicity, but yet his vision was greater than gold. And this is what our generation is missing. Leaders with humility, followers with purpose. Abubakar Tafawa Balewa once said, "We must recognize our differences, but don't let them divide us. Rather, let them be the source of our strength." So today, ask yourself, do you see strength in others or competition? Do you uplift people or push them down? Because true greatness isn't proven by how many people bow to you, but by how many people rise because of you. When you chase success, remember this: titles fade, positions change, money loses value, but character never dies. Balewa's life was short, but his legacy lives forever. He didn't just leave buildings, he didn't just make speeches, he made impacts. And this is what you and I must strive for: to live for something greater than ourselves. So whether you are a student, a leader, an artist, or a dreamer, lead your life with service. Let humanity be your strength, not your weakness. Because the world doesn't need more bosses, it needs builders. So my friend, if a teacher from Bauchi can be the first Prime Minister of Nigeria through honesty, faith, and love for his people, then what's stopping you from becoming the next great story? Don't wait for a crown to lead. Lead with your heart. Serve with purpose and move with purpose. And one day the world will remember your name, not because you shouted the loudest, but because you serve the deepest. I am Mansa Sandoks, and this is your reminder: true power, it's in humanity. God bless.